Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you what you need to do in order to get verified on Roblox. So I'm just on the verified badge FAQ for Roblox, and basically you need to meet a few requirements in order to get verified on Roblox. So if I scroll down here, you can see that you need these account type: brands and figures, companies, celebrities, musicians, politicians, etc., and you are part of a video stars program. And then for so that's if you want your profile verified. And then if you're an experienced developer, you need to be an owner or have a 10% automatic group payout of an experience with greater than 1 million playtime hours in the last 90 days. And for creators of avatar items, you have at least 2 million Robux in revenue. And there are some other requirements. You do need to have over 100,000 followers on social media or be connected to a community that has over 100,000 followers on Roblox. I mean, on social media. So you can see here that they don't have like an official application process. When you meet those requirements, they will send you notification that you're eligible for this, and then you'll be able to get verified on Roblox. Okay, so those are the requirements, and you do need to also do ID verification. So if you do meet those requirements, you will get a notification where you can complete the ID verification and get verified on Roblox. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.